The United States government has issued a contagious disease warning for entire United States of America. Effective July 1, 2030 at 12 a.m. This message is being transmitted by the United States government. A new viral outbreak, which has spread rapidly through New York City, has begun to expand further. The current symptoms of this new disease are as follows: bloody coughing, sweating, loss of appetite, extreme dehydration, and a fever of over 104 degrees. If you or someone is infected with either of these symptoms, please go to your nearest hospital. Updates will be given once more information becomes available. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, the store is closing, make your final orders and leave.
What? I just got here.
Yeah. Are you out of your mind?
Sorry guys, but it's my job. I can't do anything.
Oh my god. This is just ridiculous. We are staying here until we have what we need.
Okay, now look. If you don't leave within the next 30 seconds, I am calling security.
Jesus. Okay, we'll leave. God.